Hello student, welcome back. I hope you people have gone through the video of the divisibility test rule. Now let's solve question number 1 with the help of that. If you have not gone through the video, kindly see the link in the description. I have given the link in the description. So let's start solving, okay? So question number 1, here we have the number we have is 990. Okay, 990 is divisible by 2 or not, that we have to check it out here. So in the divisibility rule of 2, we saw that if you have the even number at the unit position, say 990, at the even position you can see it is, at the unit position you can see it is even number. So yes, we will write it will be divisible by, yes, it will be divisible by 2, isn't it? Now by 3. Now by 3. In order to check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, what we have to know, we have to do the sum of the given number here. The 3-digit number which is given, we have to add that. 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 0 is 18. Yes, this number is divisible by 3, 3 6 is 18. So we can write here that yes, 3 is also able to divide this number 990, right? So let's write yes here, as because this number is also able to divide, this number is also divided by 3. Yes, so let's proceed to the number 4, whether 4 can divide this 990 or not. So in order to do that, what we have to do, we have to check the last 2 digit, that is the unit position and the tens position. If the 2 digit is divided, then the whole number will be divided by 4. Sorry, 4 to the 8, 8 9 minus 8 is 1 0, it is 4 to the 8. So you can see that you are getting the remainder, so it is not getting divided by 4, so the whole number will also not be divided by 4, so you will write no here, isn't it? Why? Because the last 2 digit, that is 90, is not able to is not divided by 4. You got the remainder uh, beside other than 0, that's why 990 is also not divided by 4. So for 5, divisible by 5 or not 990, so the last digit you can see what in the divisibility rule of 5 what they have said, if in the last digit in the unit position, if it is 0 or 5, if it is 0 or 5, then yes, the number is divisible by 5. So in the number here 990, you can see that in the unit digit you can see 0 is there, right? So we will write here yes, the number is divisible by 5. Okay, so next, 990 by 6, it is possible or not. So in order to check that whether 990 is divisible by 6 or not, we have to check with the 2 form, that is whether if it is divisible by 2 or if it is divisible by 3 or not. So you can you see here that 2 and 3 both are able to divide, yes. So for 6 also it is yes, isn't it? So this is how we do. Okay, so let's proceed for the question number for the next number, that is 8, whether 8 is able to divide 990 or not. So in order to check that, what we have to know is if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. So for this we have to divide, so 8 1 ja 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, again 9, 8 2 ja 16, it is 9 minus 6 is 3, so 8 4 ja 8 4 ja 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 3 ja 24. So you can see the remainder 0, yes. So this number is not able to divide, so 8 is not able to divide 990, so you'll write no here, isn't it? So I hope you people are able to check out the rules which I have discussed in the previous video. If you have not gone through that video, kindly go through it, otherwise you'll face a problem when you are solving this. Okay, if you are directly solving this, you'll face a problem. Okay, so in order to not to face the problem, kindly go through the video which is in the link, which is in the description below. Okay, so for next number we have is 990 is divisible by 9 or not. So in order to check that, what we have to know, if the sum if the sum of the given number is divisible by 9 or not. 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 0 is 8. So 18 is divisible by 9, 9 2 ja. So yes, we can write here that 9 is able to divide, sorry, it is yes. It is yes, yeah. Isn't it? So similarly, we will be doing for 10 also. So for the in the divisibility rule of 10, what was there? If you have the 0 in the unit position, if you have 0 in the unit position of the given number, then yes, 10 is able to divide. So yes, you can see 0 is there, so you can write yes, isn't it? So now next is number 11 is able to divide or not. Let's check that also. 990 divided by can be divided by 11 or not. So in order to do that, what we have to do, we have to differentiate the odd and the even place. Yes, first of all, every time the numbers start from odd, even, then odd. So let's add first of all the odd number, that is 9 plus 0, not the odd number, the odd position. And what are the even position? Let's add that also. Only 9 you have. 9 plus 0 is 9 and even is 9 only. So when you divide this, sorry, when you subtract this odd and even, you will get 9 minus 9 as a 0. So if you get 0 or the multiple of 0, then the number is divisible by 11. So yes, it is divisible by 11. So you will write here yes. Okay, so this is the way of doing, this is the way of solving the question number exercise 1, that is 990. We have checked, we have gone through all the numbers starting from 2 to 11, right? We have used the divisibility rule, which I have explained in the video, in the previous video. So go through that once again, okay, if you have any problem. Now I want you all to solve this 1586, 275, 6686 and 639210. This will be a home assignment. I want you all to do it yourself. Having any problem in the next class, I will surely solve all this. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.